Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Fitbit Surge is probably one of the most comprehensive fitness superwatches designed to seamlessly integrate advanced activity tracking with essential smartwatch functionalities, offering a robust solution for serious athletes and casual users alike who demand detailed performance metrics and convenient notifications right from their wrist, all within a sleek and durable design built for everyday wear. Number 5. Fitbit Surge Replacement Bands. Upgrade your Fitbit Surge with these replacement bands. They come in two adjustable sizes, small and large, ensuring a comfortable fit for various wrist sizes. Crafted from durable and flexible silicone, these bands offer a smooth finish. They are soft, lightweight, and safe for all-day wear. Designed to withstand sweat, rain, and splashes, they are perfect for high-intensity workouts and reliable sleep tracking. These bands will never fade or dim, maintaining their vibrant look. Choose from a variety of multicolors to match your daily style and mood. Easily change them to personalize your look for any occasion. Each package includes one watch band with clasp, a screwdriver, dismantle tools, and several screws for easy installation. Please note, the Fitbit Surge tracker is not included. We are committed to high-quality service and offer a 100% full money-back guarantee if you are unsatisfied. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. These bands offer versatile sizing and robust silicone construction. They are perfect for those who need a reliable and comfortable strap for daily wear and intense workouts. If you are looking for a band that can withstand various conditions and comes with all necessary tools, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Silicone Replacement Bands for Fitbit Surge. These replacement bands are designed specifically for your Fitbit Surge. They come in two adjustable sizes, small and large, ensuring a comfortable fit for various wrist sizes. Crafted from durable and flexible silicone, they offer a smooth finish. You'll find them soft, lightweight, and safe for everyday wear. These bands are sweat, rain, splash, and water resistant, making them ideal for high-intensity workouts. They also excel at sleep tracking and will never fade or dim. With a variety of multicolors available, you can easily change them to match your daily style. Personalize your look effortlessly. Each package includes one watch band with a clasp, a screwdriver, dismantle tools, and several screws. You'll have everything required for a quick and easy replacement. We stand by the quality of these bands. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a 100% full money-back guarantee. What we like. This option provides a flexible, water-resistant design, ensuring comfort during any activity. It's ideal for users who prioritize durability and peace of mind. If you value a product backed by a strong satisfaction guarantee, this one stands out. What people say. Number 3. Fitbit Surge Watchband. Elevate your Fitbit Surge experience with this premium replacement watchband. It's designed specifically for your fitness tracker, ensuring a perfect fit and feel. Crafted from high-quality, double-color silicone, this band offers both style and durability. Its soft texture ensures comfort throughout your day, no matter the activity. Looking to refresh your old strap? This accessory is the ideal replacement for your worn-out Fitbit Surge watchband. It brings new life and a fresh look to your device. Rest assured, this band is perfectly compatible with your Fitbit Surge Watch fitness tracker. It fits seamlessly, just like the original, providing secure wear. More than just a replacement, it's an upgrade to your wristband accessories. Enjoy enhanced comfort and a fresh, vibrant look for your daily wear. What we like. This band brings a unique double-color design, adding a touch of personal style to your tracker. It's perfect for fashion-conscious individuals who want their fitness device to reflect their personality. If you like to stand out and customize your look, this stylish option is for you. What people say. Number 2. Fitbit Surge Replacement Bands, 6-pack. Discover the perfect upgrade for your Fitbit Surge. These replacement bands offer a fresh look and enhanced comfort for your daily activities. Crafted from comfortable and durable silicone, they are designed to be your reliable companion. Wear them through exercise, sweat, sleep, and travel without a second thought. Featuring a robust stainless steel buckle and a secure strap holder, these bands ensure your watch stays firmly in place. You can focus on your activities without worrying about it falling off. This pack includes 6 vibrant colors, allowing you to personalize your look for any occasion. They are specifically designed for the Fitbit Surge, ensuring a perfect fit. Each package contains 6 high-quality replacement bands for your Fitbit Surge. Please note, the tracker itself is not included, and these bands are not compatible with other models. For a smooth transition, remember to carefully read the assembly instructions. This will help you easily replace your old wristband with one of these new, stylish options. What we like. This package offers incredible value with 6 different colored bands. They provide secure wear with a stainless steel buckle, perfect for active users. If you want a variety of colors to match every outfit and activity without breaking the bank, this multi-pack is your best bet. What people say. No review content available as the source JSON is empty. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 1. Fitbit Surge Watch Bands with Metal Buckle. Enhance your Fitbit Surge experience with these premium watch bands. They are designed for a perfect fit, ensuring comfort and style. You receive 2 durable bands in this set. Crafted with quality materials, they offer both resilience and a sleek look. Each band features a robust metal buckle, providing a secure and reliable fastening. You can trust them to stay in place during any activity. Available in classic black and sophisticated dark blue, they suit both women and men. Choose the color that best matches your style. They come in a small size, ensuring a comfortable and snug fit for smaller wrists. Enjoy a tailored feel throughout your day. Perfect for your active lifestyle, they are fitness compatible. Wear them confidently during workouts, runs, or any daily activity. Experience the perfect blend of style, comfort, and durability. They are the ideal accessory to personalize your Fitbit Surge. What we like. This convenient 2-pack is specifically designed for smaller wrists, ensuring a perfect fit. It features a reliable metal buckle for secure everyday wear. If you have a smaller wrist and appreciate having a couple of essential color options, this duo is a practical choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.